What's going on, guys? We're back with another one. Today is going to be a very busy day. I have a lot to do. I have to get this EJ case bolted together, torqued up so we can measure it. I got a bunch of other things to do, but we're just going to get straight into that, and it's just going to be going on the fly. So let's get into it. Okay, so got it on the stand now. I'm gonna start torquing it. So I've never actually worked on an EJ before. This is sort of my first time. Not the biggest fan of them. You know, if I had to pick between Mitsubishi and Subaru, I would definitely go with Mitsubishi. I've been more of a Evo guy myself, but I do still respect them. You know, they've done a lot. They are a good engine. Very finicky, very interesting. But yeah, I'm all used to, you know, V8s and RBs and stuff like that. But yeah, so let's torque it down and see what we get out of it. I've just half torqued them all, pretty much taken them all to 20 foot-pound. And now we're going to take them to 35. So let's see what happens. Oh, almost. There we go. Well, let's measure her up. Whew, that was stressful. Okay, so quick change of plan. I'm not going to be measuring the EJ today, as I have other things to do. So bouncing between, I have to weld the plenum on that Chevy right there. So what I actually have to do is prep it, make it look pretty, take all the plastic off, obviously, weld it, get that done. And then I have this manifold right here that I have to clean, prep, get ready for pretty much the customer to put it on his car. But yeah, so it doesn't always work out that I get to do one thing a day. It's usually bouncing between 20 other projects or jobs. But yeah, so it's one less thing I got to do tomorrow. But let's get into grinding this sucker. Well, there we have it. Pretty much finished product. It is a bit of a rough out because I'm pretty sure we might have to match port, but that's why I'm not going super crazy on it. Usually I would spend a good 45 minutes detailing, getting it all, but I figured I'd just, you know, straighten it out a little bit, get it looking pretty. You know, it is a bit hard because this is double skinned, so we're actually plated inside the plenum as well. So that's all plated. It does pull does pull a little bit, but hey, it is what it is. Better than it completely blowing into pieces, and then it's just a really good paperweight at that point. But yeah, that is today's video. Ended up staying a little bit late, but that's all right. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, but I'll see you all in the next one.